Hi, for the final lesson of the week, we are finishing off our Chapter 3.1 review. Always make sure you mark your attendance first up. So pause the video now and go mark it. Okay, now that you've marked your attendance, that was lesson 3 for the week. We are now ready to go back to lesson 5. So you should already have downloaded this document, Chapter 5. I still have some questions asking me which questions am I supposed to do. But remember, if you open that file and read, so important that you read, there are the list of questions. Questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14. I've had a number of students who already done this, and my general comments are the following. If you are going to do it typed up, be mindful that it's difficult to do balanced equations because you need those little tiny 2's and 3's subscripts. So I'll accept the big numbers, but just remember in the exams, written form, no. The other comment is that some of the students are just writing one single word answers. You need either the full question written out with a single answer words or answer in full sentences. And I think, for instance, question 4 requires a balanced equation, so say octane. Remember that's, I think, one lot of octane. You need actually 25 oxygens, that's O2s, on the reactant side, and then you finish off trying to get the balanced equation. And it's in the textbook. So you got the end of this week, so by Friday, 5 o'clock. And then, of course, don't forget to submit your work. Also, remember, Mr. Lambert has helped you in this regards as well. And then it's a case of scrolling down. Where do I put it? Keep going. There it is, question 3.1 combustion. So you would have saved that file to your Google Drive, and now you're ready to submit. And all you have to do is press the create submission button and follow that. And as I said, I have presented you with a video from Mr. Byfield. So click on this on how to submit your work. All I need to do is see that you have made an honest attempt, and as I say, full sentences or write out the question, write out your brief answers. Have a good day.